Doha Oktoberfest community, very good evening everybody. Meine Damen und Herren, ladies and gentlemen, it's Oktoberfest time now, and this means for us it's showtime. So, the Intercontinental Hotel have flown in an original Oktoberfest band from Europe. Please welcome together with me the Vollgas Oktoberfest band. Hey! To take your glass of beer into your right hand and to lift it up. Please take your glass, lift it up. Wonderful. And everything else what you have to do is to sing together with the Vollgas Oktoberfest band. Ein Prosit der Gemütlichkeit. Here we go. For example, my colleague Hupsi is able to play the largest instrument in the world. The largest instrument in the world? Here is the guy. This is the one. Oh my goodness. Yes, Cessna. Take care, Hupsi. Take care, take care, take care. Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay, that's why we call him crazy. So, this is a four. Da frisst den Kas mit Tom, They have to try to get a tone out of our Alp horn. Okay, approved. Approved, Jessica did it.
zieht sie auf die Ohr, weil es sonst nicht angeht. In der Schickerie, schick, 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 Schickerie, schick, 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 Schickerie.
We are taking the time and you have to drink as fast as possible. What you should do is, you should be below 10 seconds, okay? Ladies in the team? Okay, 3, 2, 1 and go, come on. Step! 10.6, 10.6.
Da sind wir dabei, das ist prima, viva Bologna. Wir lieben das Leben, die Liebe und die Lust. Wir glauben an die Liebe, Gott und haben noch immer Durst.
Hey, 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 hey.
I got my head done when I was young. It's not my problem. It's not my problem. Woohoo! 'Cause I feel heavy metal. Woohoo! And I'm inside of me now. Woohoo! 'Cause I'm lying amazing all of the time. I never show why I need you. Pleased to meet you.
I just want you back, but I want you to stay. Oh, I know I'm walking on sunshine. Sing. Oh, I'm walking on sunshine.
Wait for me.
오빤 강남선. Sexy lady. 오빤 강남선. Sexy lady. 오빤 강남선. Those were the best days of my life. Come on, oh yeah. Back in the summer of '69. Oh, '69. You better bet all the rest. And I've been everyone I ever met. Ooh, stuck on your heart. I'm hanging every road you say. Sing it out, baby.
Twist and shout. Come on, come on, come on, come on, baby now. You know you twist a little girl. You know you twist so far. Die ist lang vorüber.
The Vollgas Oktoberfest band would like to say goodbye now with the next song. It's a little secret song because it's a song about our origin. So what we are really proud to be part of this Oktoberfest this year. Thank you very much. Hopefully see you next year here. We like you. Thank you very much. All the best. See you next year. Ciao, pfiat euch. Servus.